Fourth point, in this let us discuss the examples that in our physics torque tau is equal to r bar cross f bar, position vector cross f bar, position vector of what? Position vector of point on which this f bar acts, and another is angular momentum. Capital L bar is equal to r bar cross p bar. P bar is linear momentum, r bar is position vector, and also we know p bar is equal to m into v bar. Next, v bar is equal to omega bar cross r bar. In circular motion you are going to get it. Angular velocity, position vector of the particle from origin. Now v bar is velocity vector. Next, in this fifth point I am going to discuss the useful information for solving problems. See, p bar cross q bar is equal to what I know, modulus of p vector, modulus of q vector, sin theta into n cap, and this n cap is the unit vector perpendicular to plane containing p bar and q bar. Let me take I cap cross j cap. I cap is the unit vector along positive x axis, j cap is the unit vector along positive y axis. Okay, before this let me do I cap cross I cap because both are along positive x axis. So modulus of I cap sin 0 into n cap, what you are going to get? Sin 0 will be 0. Same way j cap cross j cap, both are parallel vectors, so 0. K cap cross k cap is also equal to 0 because angle between these two vectors is 0. Next, let me go for I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap, so modulus of I cap, modulus of j cap, sin 90 degrees. Angle between these two vectors is 90 degrees into n cap. That means its magnitude is 1, sin 90 is also 1. So you are getting n cap. What is n cap? Is the unit vector that is perpendicular to the plane containing I cap and j cap. Let us see here, this is x axis, this is y axis, z axis is out of the plane of the boat. Now I cap is first vector, j cap is second vector. So I cap, j cap. I have to curl my fingers from first to second vector. Thumb gives the direction of n cap. It is pointing along positive z axis. So the unit vector along positive z axis is k cap. So instead of n cap I can take it as k cap. But we know I cap cross j cap is equal to minus j cap cross I cap. That means if you are asked to calculate I cross j, you write down k cap. If you want to do j cross k, send this minus to this side, that means minus k cap. Next, j cross k, j cap cross k cap, modulus of j cap, modulus of k cap, sin 90 into n cap, this total is 1. So what is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing j cap and k cap? That means j cap is along positive y axis, k cap is along positive z axis. From positive y axis to z axis, if I curl my fingers, it points along positive x axis. So it is I cap. So j cross k is equal to I cap. Suppose if you want to do k cross j, so from this knowledge it will be minus I cap. If you don't believe, then I will tell you. See, this is z-axis. You place your fingers here, and here you are doing k cap cross j cap, means from positive z-axis to positive axis. This is positive z-axis. From positive z-axis to positive axis, if you curl your fingers, you will be getting the thumb along negative x-axis, so it will be minus I cap. Or simply I say I cap is equal to minus. So instead of writing separately, here only you can write. Same way, k cap cross I cap is equal to, magnitude is 1 n cap, and k cap cross I cap. K cap, this is k cap, I cap along x-axis, so it points along positive axis. That's why it is j cap also equal to minus I cap cross k cap. This is. Now, if you want to solve the problem with this knowledge, that is a bar cross b bar or p bar cross q bar. Suppose if p vector is equal to px I cap plus py j cap, and q vector is equal to qx I cap plus qy j cap. Now let me do p bar cross q bar is equal to what? First p vector px I cap plus py j cap cross q vector qx I cap plus qy j cap. Now expand it. You multiply the second term total with first this px I cap cross qx I cap plus px, separately you can write px qx into I cap cross I cap, px qy into I cross j plus py qx into j cap cross I cap plus py qy into j cap cross j cap. But I cap cross I cap is equal to 0, so first part is 0, and I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap, so px qy into k cap. Again here j cap cross I cap, j cap cross I cap is minus j cap cross I cap is k, so j cap cross I cap is minus k, so minus py qx k cap. Anyway, j cap cross j cap will be 0, so px qy minus py qx into k cap is the cross product of p bar and q bar. This is. So here some teachers teaches you to remember this one I, j, k. If you move anti-clockwise, I cross j you will be getting k, j cross k you will be getting I, k cross I you will be getting j. This is positive cycle, anti-clockwise is positive. Suppose if you go for like this, I cross k minus j, k cross j minus I, j cross I minus k, so this is negative. Clockwise is negative and anti-clockwise is positive. Somebody teaches you this for easy remembrance purpose of this I cross j, j cross k, k cross I. Suppose in this vector only we are having two components. Suppose you are given a vector that is having three components. So you will be getting more number of terms if you simplify like this. Of course, I may explain right now on the board by taking some time, but while solving problems, this method is not appreciable method because it takes much time. Instead of this, I am introducing one more method. That is, you have to calculate determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. First, in the first row you write down I cap, j cap, k cap. Here first vector is p vector, that's why its component you write down first. In second row, px, py, pz, and the second vector is q vector, so its component in this row, qx, qy, qz. If any component is not given, and instead of that you just keep 0. Now how to do determinant in matrices in mathematics? You know this method how to calculate determinant. First you take I cap, so you leave this row and this column, this row and this column. Now only you are having 4, so determinant py qz minus qy pz. For 2 by 2 matrix you know na, a b c d ad minus bc minus this one, that only I am going to use here. And for this I cap, j cap, you have to keep minus j cap, again leave this row and this column, remaining you are having a b c d, so ad minus bc, px qz minus qx pz plus again plus k cap. Now you leave this row and this column, you are having this 4, so ad minus bc, again px qy minus qx py. So in this way we are going to do p bar cross q bar by taking the help of 3 by 3 matrix determinant concept. We are going to do cross product of two vectors. Even 2 by 2 matrix is given, I will take I cap, j cap, k cap. That means here only x coordinates and y coordinates are given, no z. That's why I keep 0, 0 here, and I will solve the problem in this way only.